In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and efficiently create and save a Microsoft Word document, all in under 5 minutes. Whether you're drafting an important letter, compiling a report, or just jotting down some notes, mastering this process is a fundamental skill in navigating the digital workspace efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access Microsoft Word on your computer. To do this, start by locating the Windows Start menu. This is usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen, symbolized by the Windows icon. Clicking on this icon will bring up a menu filled with applications and settings. Here you'll find a search bar waiting at the ready. Click into this search bar and simply type in Word. As you begin to type, the system will automatically search for matches, and Microsoft Word should appear in the list of applications. Once you see Microsoft Word pop up in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This action will launch Microsoft Word on your computer, bringing you to its welcome page. The welcome page serves as your gateway to creating new documents or reopening existing ones, among other featured templates and options. Now, to start working on your shiny new document, navigate to and click on the New Document option. This might be represented with a blank page icon or the text blank document. Either way, it's your ticket to a fresh start. If you have specific templates in mind or existing documents to choose from, feel free to select those instead. However, for our purpose today, let's stick to creating a new blank document. With your new document open, it's time to breathe life into it. Go ahead, type away and add in all the necessary content you need. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, the next crucial step is to save your work. This is where the magic of never losing your precious work comes into play. Move your cursor to the top left corner and click on File, then navigate down to Save As. This opens up a realm of choices for where you want to save your document. For today's example, let's go with saving to OneDrive, which allows you to access the file from anywhere with an internet connection. You're not limited to OneDrive though. You can select another location that better suits your preferences, such as your computer's hard drive or another cloud storage solution. Once you've decided where to save your document, click on your chosen location. You'll then be prompted to give your file a name. Choose something descriptive and memorable. You'll thank yourself later when you're trying to find this document among potentially hundreds of others. After naming your file, it's time for the final step. Click the Save button. Your document is now safely stored in the location you selected. You can breathe a sigh of relief knowing your work is secure and accessible for future editing or sharing. And just like that, in a few simple steps, you've not only created a document, but also ensured it's saved and retrievable. Remember, saving your document frequently as you work on it is a good habit to adopt. This way you're always safeguarded against unexpected computer restarts or program crashes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. The ability to create and save documents in Microsoft Word is a fundamental skill that forms the backbone of digital literacy. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll find yourself navigating the process with ease and confidence. Happy typing, and here's to your next great document.